Hi everyone! This is the package I got today, some new BTS items, so let's open it up and see what I got. Got the out-of-print Billboard issue with J-Hope on the cover. He looks so handsome. Comes with a folded poster. Oh, it's a big one too. Wow, I can't fit it in the frame. I'll have to turn it sideways. He's so handsome. Oh my gosh. So, there's the bottom. I'll see if I can pull it through to the top. Wow. I love it. See if I can find BTS in here. The fun part's trying to find where they're at in here. Oh, I found them. Right here. They all are so handsome. Oh, love these pictures, yay. Can't wait to read this too, because this is, I think this was back in 2018. It says February the 17th, 2018, the day before J-Hope's birthday, this was released. Put the poster here, so I think that's all the pictures of him anyway, was this right there. These 2 pages, and then it goes to someone else there. So, alright, there's one of my items I got. And then here's the other one. Get this open. Okay, this is, as you can see, it says London. Wow, it's a really vibrant, dark color purple. On the screen, it shows up as like a blue color, but it's really a deep purple. Silver on the bottom. Has their names there, so yeah, this is the BTS World Tour Love Yourself, Speak Yourself. Wembley Stadium, and that's the dates. This doesn't have any of the photo cards in it or anything that I know of. It has the DVDs. has the photo book. I think maybe it has one fold-out poster. I think that's it. And the photo book. This side shows the stadium in London. Wow. That is amazing. Look at all the fans, all the army there. Whoa. And the other side is the boys on stage with the fans. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, I'm so happy that they're getting all the love and attention. They deserve it. They've worked so hard. It's a nice poster. I like that. We'll take a look at the photo book. Wow, this is the opening of the tour, the very first song they come out performing. Oh, they're always so handsome. WWH and Sunshine. And over here we had Yoongi and our leader RM. Jimin and Tae. JK. J-Hope performing Just Dance. You have to hear his song, Just Dance is amazing. Look it up on YouTube. Such an amazing song, and he gives an awesome performance. He's an amazing dancer, singer. He's like the 5th singer in the vocal line that he raps to. And then I love JK's Euphoria. And here he gets lifted up here on this little thing above the audience, which is really, really cool. His song Begin from Wings is amazing too. I really love that song. And Tae, Jimin, Yoongi, he performed Seesaw on this tour. Oh my god, Yoongi did. It's such an amazing song. And Jen did Epiphany. And Jimin performed Serendipity. There's RM, J-Hope. There's Jimin. So he's getting ready to perform Serendipity. Oh my gosh. Such great pictures. I love the photo book. I know they put one out for Brazil from, I don't know if it was from the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself final or not. I'm not sure. And then they did one for New York. Oh my gosh. They look so good. Jin, Yoongi. Oh my gosh, there's Tae on the bed performing Singularity. That's an amazing song. There's his performance of Singularity. Oh my gosh. RM and Hobie. Wow. Such great pictures. There's Yoongi performing Seesaw. Jin performing Epiphany. Such a great tour. And this will be my first time watching the one in London, as I've watched the one in Seoul. so I haven't watched any of the other performances off of this tour from any other country, just from Seoul. Wow. That's cute. Oh, Hobie. Jin looks cute, and cute little Tay, not Tay, but JK smiling there. RM looks so cute. Looks like they're just having a good time. Yoongi too. And Jimin. They all had smiles. J-Hope giving us the heart. Oh. Oh, he looks sad there. JK. I think there was a they were moved by the army in London. They were singing Forever We Are Young, which is one of BTS's songs. J-Hope. Oh yeah, he looks sad right there too. It must have been that they were moved. He's so cute. So handsome. Tay's adorable. I can't help but say that every time I look at them, you know, they're precious. London rehearsal. London backstage. Okay, that was my unboxing today. This is held together with a magnetic clasp on there, which I like that it has that. So, my unboxing today. Hope that you enjoyed it. I sure did. So happy to have this out of print J-Hope billboard magazine. They had one of each of the boys. It'd be great if I could get the other 6, but we'll see what happens. So I got my bias right here. I want to get Yoongi if I could, and you know, the other 5 after that. And now I'm glad to own London Love Yourself, Speak Yourself. All right, so thanks for tuning in and checking this out. Leave a like if you liked it, and don't forget to rate and comment and subscribe. See you next time.